Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you remove Google account from your Android device. So at first, just go to Gmail on your phone. After going to the Gmail, just click on the top right your profile icon. So after clicking your profile icon, just click on the last option, manage accounts on this device. After clicking it, now click on the middle option, Google. Now just click on the account that you want to remove. After that, just click on the bottom middle option, more. Now here you can see two options, sync now and remove account. Click on remove account. Again, click on the blue button, remove account, the right one. So guys, the account is removed. This is how can you remove Google account from your Android phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.